Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your very first time here. I am super excited to be filming this video because it is not even December yet and I am getting ready to decorate my mannequin Christmas tree. If you guys are new to my channel, I am a fashion reseller, so decorating a mannequin Christmas tree is just really in tune with what I do. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram and you're interested in just the fashion reseller life, I do mostly sell pre-owned fashions on multiple platforms, including my website, as well as Poshmark, Mercari, and a few other marketplaces. But like I said, I am super excited to be filming this video. And unfortunately, the lighting is not on my side. It is, of course, fall, so it gets darker a lot earlier. So I'm going to have to make this video into several parts. Just wanted to come on and share with you guys a couple things before I do start getting into the decorating part of this video. Also, there's a link in my bio to the video that I recorded in 2019. I didn't do any decorating at all last year, so that's another reason why I'm excited. But there's a more step-by-step video that will be linked in my bio. So I want to go ahead and share with you just the structure of everything. And I will put some links in the video description box where I purchased everything. This mannequin dress form I use on a daily basis to take pictures of items that I am selling. But I will link down below. They also come in white, and they also come in different options as far as prints. So I put my mannequin on a TV stand so it's easier to decorate because I can swivel everything around. And then the green form here is a tomato cage. It's actually 2 cages in one, and I do use florist wire to attach one into the other, and I do stagger the heights once I place them inside of one another. And then I put my mannequin form inside of this structure, and this structure is used to attach the garland to the structure. I attach the garland to the structure with florist wire as well. It doesn't matter whether you use silver, black, green, whatever, because it's not going to be showing. I did make a mistake. I think it was last year, the year before, I left my tomato cage outside. I was renting a commercial space at the time, and I left it on the back porch, and it did rust a little bit, but that's not going to be showing, so it doesn't really matter. As far as the dress form, it is lighter weight, and to help it not tilt over, I would recommend putting something on the feet. I use some leg weights. I have 2 that I place so it doesn't tilt over, especially while I'm decorating it. You can use a bag of sand, a bag of dirt, a bag of rocks, some books, or anything to put down here so that it won't tilt over. And that's not going to be showing anyway because we're going to decorate that. Now, as far as the top, the bust area, the last time I did a Christmas tree form decoration was in 2019, which is the video that's going to be linked down below. I did use decorations to cover the bust area. But this year, if you guys have followed me on Instagram as well, you probably remember back in September, I mentioned that I wanted to make this dress wearable. The top part is too small for me, and I was asking you guys for suggestions. As I was thinking about which color decorations I was going to use this year, I realized that my decorations kind of match this dress. So what I plan on doing is cutting this part, the top part, off and using it for the top of my mannequin. And then I'm going to hopefully make the bottom part a wearable skirt. So that is the goal for that. So also, like I was saying, as far as the garland that I'm going to be using, I don't remember whether I bought the garland with the lights already attached or I attached them after the fact, but I think it's easier to go ahead and attach your lights to the garland in my opinion, than trying to put the lights on after you attach them to the tomato cage. Also, I read in one of my videos the comments that someone used chicken wire. But I think because this structure is more sound, it's better to use something like this. And I attached, again, the garland to the tomato cage with florist wire. I do have the 1/4 pound, but I'm pretty sure anything stronger or a little less stronger will work as well. But I would say use whatever you have. If you have thread, if you have elastic, I think it will all work, but I like working with the florist wire. But I think that that is it. The goal this year was to use a lot of the decorations that I already had. And if I need to buy 1 or 2 decorations just to add to, and then hopefully, God willing, in 2022, I'll just change the whole color scheme. But I'm thinking I'm going to add some white to this. And to be honest with you, I want to see how black ornaments look with this. If you guys watch my just pre-shopping, getting ready to dress your, to decorate your dress form video, which I will also link below, I mentioned to perhaps, if you have some older ornaments, to maybe cover them with fabric if you wanted to change the color. So I do have some older, or some colors that I'm not going to use here, like the burgundy and the browns. And I was thinking about covering them with like a velvet or velour black fabric. Also, our main Christmas tree, I think I'm going to do just red and white. And I saw some decorations in Big Lots. They were red, white, and black. So I might just use the black for my dress form mannequin. So let me get started, and I will see you guys in a bit. So I just wanted to show you guys quickly how the dress looks on the mannequin form. And like I said, I am going to probably cut it here or a little further down. There is a zipper in the back, so I will cut it right below the zipper. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use the straps, or if so I need to make them a little tighter, because as you can see, the dress is a little loose. So I might keep the existing straps that are on there and then just cover them with decorations. I'm not sure yet, but I just want to give you guys a look at how it looks with the entire dress. And like I said, I'm probably gonna cut it to right just there, or maybe even a little higher. I'll probably just cut it and then tuck it underneath, but I definitely have to be mindful of the decoration. So let me get started. Okay, friends, so this is the finished product. Well, pretty much 99%. I do need to tweak a couple things here and there, but for the most part, I am done. Unfortunately, this did go until December, but it's only December 2nd, so I'm still proud of myself. I can enjoy this for a couple of weeks, but I did forget to record how the tomato cage looked with the mannequin form inside of it. So to do that, you will definitely need to detach the top from the bottom part of your frame. So the stand from the top, and then you will place the bottom part inside of the tomato cage and then reattach the top. So I forgot to show that, my apologies. But like I mentioned earlier in the video, I do have a more detailed video from 2019 that is going to be linked down below. And let me see what else. Also, earlier in the video, I did mention that I used a 1/4 pound for the, what do you call this? Florist wire. Not sure why it's not focusing, but I wanted to say a 22 gauge is the strength that I use. Is very, very, very strong. So definitely something like 22 gauge for the florist wire will work to attach the garland to your tomato cage. Another thing too, when you are wrapping your garland around the form, make sure that it is tight, which will help it stay up as well, will help it to stay in place. But I think that is it. I did decide not to use the TV stand. You can actually see a little bit of the tomato cage down there, but this is in my office, so I'm pretty much the only person that's going to see this anyway. And then today I am going to start decorating our main Christmas tree. So I hope you guys are well. Happy holidays to all of you. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will talk soon.